Hey everyone, have you ever heard the myth that a full moon or even a blood moon causes animals to give birth to stillborns? Sounds strange, right? Well, today we're going to explore whether this is just a folklore or if there's some truth behind it. So let's dig in.
This belief has been passed down through generations, especially in farming communities. But is it really possible for the moon to have that kind of power? Let's find out.
So, let's break it down. In rural communities, particularly in the Philippines, there's this belief that during a full moon, especially a blood moon, animals like cows, goats, and dogs are more likely to have difficult births, sometimes even stillbirths. It's even believed that the moon's unusual color brings negative energy, which disrupts the birth process. Farmers often take special precautions during a blood moon, like keeping pregnant animals indoors, performing rituals, or even sprinkling water with flowers on the animals to protect them from this bad energy. Sounds something straight out of a horror movie, right?
Now, let's get into why this belief is considered a pseudoscience. Pseudoscience refers to ideas that seem scientific but lack the proper evidence to back them up. And here's the thing, there's no actual scientific proof that lunar phases, including the blood moon, have any effect on any animal birds.
Yes, the moon does affect Earth's tides, but its gravitational pull is too weak to influence things like animal births. Stillbirths are usually caused by factors like infections, poor nutrition, or complications during pregnancy, not the full moon.
So, the bottom line, the moon might have some influence over the tides, but it definitely does not control animal births. No scientific evidence supports that idea.
But if there's no science behind it, why do people still believe in this myth? Well, it all comes down to something called the confirmation bias. The confirmation bias happens when we remember events that support our existing beliefs and ignore those that contradict them. So, if an animal gives birth during a full moon and something goes wrong, people are more likely to connect the two, even though there's no actual cause and effect relationship. This pattern leads to the myth being reinforced over and over again, even though there's no factual basis. It's like blaming the weather when something goes wrong. It doesn't really make sense, but people keep doing it.
So, why is scientific thinking so important in situations like this? It's about breaking down myths with facts. It's crucial for us to understand the world around us based on evidence, not just by tradition or superstitions.
By relying on science, we can make informed decisions not just about animal care, but about how we approach every problem. So the next time someone brings up the full moon's power over birds, you will know better.
Always remember, science is our best tool for understanding the world. Let's keep questioning and thinking critically.
So, there you have it. The belief that the full moon causes animals to give birth to stillborns is just a myth. It's rooted in superstition, but science shows us the real causes of stillbirth. Let's embrace knowledge, respect traditions, but also make sure we're making the right decisions based on evidence. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep the conversation going. What myths do you think needs to be busted next? Let us know in the comment section below.